pencil can be used in lots of apps including Pages, Notes, OneNote and Word. I'll start off in Pages. Tap anywhere on a blank document and then tap again to add a drawing box. And in this box you can now write directly onto the screen. To change the colour or the style of what you're writing, tap this icon at the bottom right, and that will open up a range of tools that you can use to write or draw on the screen. And you can change the colour in this area here. Tap on any of these tools to use them. Tap again to change how thick the line is going to be, and move the slider to change the opacity of what you write. The best way to learn this is to just go in and play around and see what these tools can do. They do offer a lot of flexibility and versatility in the way that you can mark up the screen. You can have some fun and learn what the different pens and pencils can do by just messing around with them. There's a range of tools here to add marks to the screen. The rubber will of course take marks away. The selection tool allows you to isolate one particular bit of writing, then cut or copy and paste it, resize it and move it around the screen. And the undo button at the top is very useful for going back a few steps to undo any mistakes and return to what you had before. These tools work in a very similar way over in the Notes app. You can open up your Apple Pencil menu by tapping on this icon in the middle, and you can see that this time we also have a ruler added to the toolbox, so I'm going to place that in the middle and change the colour using the spectrum option. So now as I scribble above the ruler, it will keep one perfectly straight line at the bottom. And the menu looks the same in all of the Apple apps, so once you've got used to how this works in Pages or Notes, then it'll be the same in the other Apple apps such as Keynote. The pencil is also compatible with the Microsoft apps. Imagine you want to take handwritten notes during a meeting. You would simply go to the Draw option at the top, select the pen or pencil of your choice and tap again to change the thickness of the line and the colour of the line. And there is also a nice sparkle animation option which we can try. As before, I can just now write directly onto the screen and that handwriting will appear in my Word document. So this can be a really good way of mixing typed text with handwritten text all in one place. OneNote is another excellent app to use the Apple Pencil with, and the draw toolbar can be found in the same place as in Word, and the pens and pencils look the same. You might use this to make a seating plan, and by tapping on Ink to Shape at the top of the screen, you can then draw shapes and the app will form them into perfect versions of that shape. All you have to do is hold the pencil down for a second or two before lifting it and the shape will autocorrect. I can then change the pen and fill in the details of which student is sitting at which desk. I could then quickly share this seating plan with another teacher who might be covering a class.